Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So yes, I do look like Cindy Lou because I have my bangs cooling in a curler right now. I just got a haircut yesterday and I added like a little dimension to my, not dimension, but like a little like swoosh to my bangs, I guess you would call it. I don't really know. So I'm letting them like cool in my little curler right now. So anyways, today's video is going to be a like brand review. So I have never heard of this brand before, but they did reach out to me and they were like, would you mind if we sent you some makeup? Like, you don't have to review it, or you can review it, like whatever. We just want to send you some makeup to like see what you think and to have you try it and whatever. So I looked them up and they were sold at Sephora and they had some really good reviews. So I was like, for sure, send me some makeup. I would love to like review it and see what it's all about. So the brand is Merit, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, Merit Beauty. So they sent me some makeup. They let me pick 7 items that I wanted and they sent it in this cute little little bag thing, which is so cute. I think it's really convenient. Like if you want to travel and put this like in your like travel suitcase, or you could even use it as like a regular purse if you wanted to. It's so cute. But yeah, I have a ton of stuff in here to test out for you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this video. Okay, so they are a clean makeup brand at Sephora. Their like main message, from what I understood from like the reviews and stuff and what their products say, is like a natural like everyday look, which I appreciate because I love a good everyday like natural look. So I got a ton of stuff. I got their Complexion Perfecting Stick. I got their highlighting balm. Oh, I forgot I got that. Then they sent me this blending brush, which I'm really excited about. And then I think this is a mascara. Yep, mascara. And then, oh, they sent me like a little blush. And then this is a lip oil, which I already tried, not gonna lie, and I really like this. So I'm really excited to test out like this entire brand and see like what it's all about. So I am gonna start with the foundation, which is like a stick formula. It's called, what exactly is it called? The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I really like love their packaging. It's super simple, super cute, and I love the component. I think it's really adorable. I'm actually gonna pin my hair back like this and look more like a freak. I look like some sort of animal. I can't think of the animal, but if you guys can think of the animal that I'm thinking of, let me know down below. All right, so I'm gonna start with a little bit of primer. I already have my moisturizer on, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Tatcha primer and just focus it right here because that's where I need the most help. And bring a little bit up to my forehead. So I got 2 shades in the Complexion Stick. I got like a lighter one and a darker one. My goal was to do like use the darker one for contour, but I think it's a little too warm. This is what the darker shade looks like. This is the shade Buff. And then I got the shade Linen, and this is what Linen looks like. So I honestly think I may just like mix the 2 of them and see from there. So I'm gonna start just by swiping it on my face. Ooh, it feels really creamy. I haven't used like a stick foundation in forever. From what the reviews said online, they were pretty like solid. I feel like most people really liked it. I feel like that might be a shade too light, so I'm gonna mix in a few swipes of the darker one. So let's see, and then I'm gonna use that blending brush, which I opened. I haven't like felt it or anything, but the second I saw it on their website, I was like, I need to have this. This is what it looks like, and I've always wanted a brush like this. So cute. This is what I'm gonna use to blend it out. So I'm just gonna take it and start buffing it into my skin and see how this looks. So this is giving really like almost like no coverage, which it is called the Minimalist, so that's a little expected. So I feel like that pretty much just like evened out my skin tone. I do need to add a little bit more of the Linen to my nose because I know that what I put on there is not gonna cut it. I'm gonna add a little bit more like to where I need it because my skin is really like struggling these days. Like it is just not doing its best. I think it's honestly stress. So it's just kind of been going through it. All right, so now I'm gonna blend my forehead. This brush is really soft, like super soft. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it did just kind of like, in my opinion, even out my skin tone. It really didn't give me too much coverage. I want to add a little bit more to my cheeks because I do get pretty red over there and there is some peeking through it. So I'm just going to push a little bit more product in. But it really did just pretty much even out my skin tone for the most part. I do have some dryness happening on my face. So of course, since it is a stick foundation, it did kind of emphasize that, which is a little annoying, but it's not that noticeable. I notice it because I notice every single imperfection on my face. But yeah, so I mean, it's a lot lighter than what I'm used to. I definitely go for more full coverage, especially like even day to day, I would do a little bit more full coverage than this. But I mean, for like a 1, 2, 3 type thing, I don't think it's that bad. What do you guys think? I think it did a really nice job at evening out the skin tone. All right, so now what I'm quickly gonna do is I'm gonna conceal and contour off camera, and then I'll come back to try out the rest of the products with you. I am so excited to try out the blush. Oh my God, this is the one thing I've been looking at like non-stop. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. I'm really, really excited for the mascara, and then I'm also super excited for the highlighting balm. Oh my God, I can't wait. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour and conceal, and then I'll be right back. So I'm so excited because now I'm gonna go in with the blush. This is in the shade Beverly Hills. It's such a frigging pretty color. I'm gonna take a brush though, and I'm gonna go like this on it because I don't wanna just like stamp it on my face. And then I'm just going to apply it. My skin is so dry, you guys, that my concealer is just like a frigging hot mess. Wow, this is really pigmented. Do you guys see that? Holy crap. Wow. This is really, really beautiful. This is so pigmented though. Oh my God, I need to like tone this down with my sponge because this is real intense. But wow, I really, really like that. That's a really pretty formula. That's really, really nice. I like that a lot. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the highlighting balm, which I'm also so excited for. The packaging and all this stuff is so beautiful. This is what it looks like. Honestly, this packaging gives me major like Rare Beauty vibes. I don't know why. It just reminds me of Rare Beauty. That's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Wow, that's really, can you guys see it? You see it right there? That's really, really pretty. So I think I'm gonna take, do I have a brush that I can use? Yeah, I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna do the same thing and swirl my brush all over. And then I'm just going to apply it to the tops of my cheeks. There's something about cream highlights that I just obsess over. Like obsessed. And this is a really, really beautiful one. Wow, it's really honestly just like looking like skin. Do you guys see it? I am truly, truly obsessed. It's honestly giving me like glowing from within vibes. Like it's really, it almost looks like my skin is wet and it looks really, really beautiful. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and set like my face and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and test out the mascara because I am so excited. Let me just show you guys really quick the packaging for this mascara. Like gorgeous. I already opened it, but I haven't tried it yet. And this applicator looks promising. So I'm really, really excited for the mascara. So let me go ahead, set my face and whatnot, and then I'll be right back. I went ahead and set my entire face. So now I'm so ready for this mascara. Like I showed you guys before, this packaging is just, oh my God, gorgeous. I didn't put any liner on because I'm really curious to see how it like performs on its own. So I'm just gonna start applying. I'm really obsessing over the Rare Beauty one right now, but if this one can take its place, that would be funny. This is really lengthening my lashes and giving so much volume and like curling them. Like, oh, wow. They look really... Okay, this mascara is no joke. All right, I really, really like this right now. Like, no joke. Really, really into it. All right, so now I'm gonna like wipe away my lips, kind of like get rid of any excess. Maybe I'll line my lips. No, actually, I want to keep this like a very natural look. So I'm gonna go in with the lip oil again. Packaging is frigging gorgeous. This is a lip oil, right? Yeah, tinted lip oil. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, I did try this just like really quickly, but I didn't keep it on for long. Okay, so my bangs actually looked kind of crazy, so I just pinned them back in a clip because they were like super like, and like I'm not used to that, so I have to like tame them a little bit right now, so that's why my hair looks like a little like weird. But yeah, so that completes this like little brand review. So let me go through like my favorites and like my least favorites. So I'm gonna start with my least favorite, which is definitely the foundation. It is way too like natural for me. Like I know that a lot of people are really into like more natural-ish like foundations. This just isn't necessarily for me, only because like my skin is really like dry, especially right now. And I need a little bit more coverage in my like, even like every day, like I still go for like a more medium to full coverage, and this was like light to sheer coverage, so that's just really like not for me. I really like the blush. I liked the blush a lot. The brush is something that I really can see myself using, especially for more like fuller coverage foundations. I really like how dense it is, and the packaging is so cute. So I really, really liked the brush, the blush. Oh, and then the highlighting balm. Oh my, I'm just knocking everything over right now. This was definitely one of my favorites. I do still obviously have it on, but it is the highlight that is showing right now, and it just gave like a beautiful, beautiful glow. Like I'm obsessed with that. And then the lip oil is super, super nice. Like if I'm wearing no makeup, I'm definitely going to be wearing this because it's super hydrating. And you know how sometimes like lip glosses can feel kind of like you can feel the shimmer in it. You know what I'm saying? Like when you rub your lips together, like you can kind of feel the shimmer. You don't feel that with this. It honestly kind of feels like my Aquaphor, and it just gives a beautiful, beautiful shine. So I really like this. And then of course, my top favorite was the mascara. I think it is a beautiful mascara. I'm like over here like making my eyes super big, but I really, really loved this mascara. I think it was like beautiful, and it really helped lengthen my lashes, and it's definitely like the highlight of this video, and definitely like the standout product to me. I really, really love it. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know if you've ever heard of this brand, if you ever tried this brand, and what your thoughts are, and let me know like what product you think looked the best and whatnot. So yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not, my hair is looking a hot mess. I can't wait to go and style it right now because it is. I just got a haircut, like I said, and you know when you first get a haircut, you're kind of like getting used to like your hair, you know what I mean? That's me at this exact moment. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.